Hi, welcome to What's Up with DJ Now. Today we're making pistachio cloud icebox cake. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. There's not going to be a lot of talking in this video because it's pretty explanatory. Icebox cakes are pretty easy because they're just usually related with pudding and a Cool Whip and different other things with graham crackers or a cookie of your choice. I might go ahead and start doing an icebox cake playlist with different versions. I've made a lot of different ones and they're real easy, real versatile, and they're really good. So as you can see, I'm just getting the pudding ready in here. I'm going to be doing the pistachio cloud icebox cake type of one. So we're going to go ahead and get our pudding ready and go ahead and just keep watching. It's pretty much an easy layering type icebox cake with graham crackers, which when the cake gets put in the fridge, which typically you want to do it for no less than 5 hours or overnight preferably to soften up, and it kind of, the graham crackers kind of play as a soft cake type texture in between the pudding of your choice that you make. I've made banana ones, I've made eclair ones, chocolate eclair ones, I've done all kinds of different ones, so I might start doing some different videos to show the different variations you can do. It's really easy. It's not very expensive of a thing to make, so if you need something for a family get-together or a potluck at work, it turns out really good. I did this one this time because St. Patrick's Day is coming, and I thought, well, you can't get any greener than pistachio, and it's really good. If you've never had pistachio pudding, I suggest you try it. I was going to do a 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 salad video, and I thought, no, I'm going to do a icebox cake, and I accidentally turned off my camera at that point, and I didn't show me putting down the Cool Whip, but pretty explanatory. So I hope you like the video and just continue to watch, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comments, and I appreciate you watching my video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.